Hello all, I welcome you all to my spoken English classes. I am here to help you to improve your spoken English abilities and not only that, to improve your confidence in English. To begin with, I would like to say two practical suggestions. The very first one is listening. So start listening to small conversations, casual talks, and not only that, even English TV programs like news, etc. So by doing so, you will improve your language, and this is the only way of learning any language naturally. Look, that is how we have learned our mother tongue, right? The next one is nothing but speaking. Whenever you get a chance, don't miss that opportunities. Participate in short talks. That will help you to improve, and don't worry about being right or wrong. By doing so, you will at least get to know the areas where you have to improve, and this also will allow you to know your errors and rectify your errors and grow. And the third one I would like to add up: watch my videos where you will improve your vocabulary, sentence formation and fluency. Today let us start with B forms. Now today we will deal with B forms, what are B forms and how they are used in English. Now B forms, again you have present, past, perfect and all. In future classes we'll get to know about it, right? So in the present you have am, is, are. Generally students, this is very simple actually, B form, but students they get confused while using this B forms. So by this video you will get to overcome the confusion. Okay, so coming to the B forms are called as verbs. Now many students they think that verbs are only action words. It's not like that. Even B forms are also fall under the category of verbs in later classes. Okay, now when it comes to am, is, are, how they are used, let us see. Am, always it is used with I. Whenever you are speaking about yourselves, then you are going to say I am, right? And the short form is nothing but am. Look, whenever we are speaking, we don't use or we don't distinctly say or separately we don't say I am. We say am. I'm a teacher. I'm a mother. I'm in Hyderabad. Like that we are going to use, right? So same way, is used with a single persons. Is always used with a single person, like he is, she is, it is. Not only that, even with the names also, like Radha is, Mary is, Tom is, Tony is. Single person if you are speaking, then you are going to use is. Okay, coming to are. Are is used with you, they and we. You are. Now coming, I want to focus on this you. Generally when it comes to you is used with the singular person as well as the plural person also. You are. Single ki kuda manam you ane pedtamu, plural ki kuda manam you ane pedtam. యు ఆర్ మై స్టూడెంట్. ఒక వ్యక్తి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, అక్కడ నేను ఎలా చెప్తాను నా స్టూడెంట్కి, యు ఆర్ మై స్టూడెంట్. అదే 10 మంది ఉన్నారు అనుకో, అక్కడ కూడా నేను యు ఆర్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్. డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్, ఫర్ సింగులర్ యాజ్ వెల్ as ప్లూరల్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూస్ యు ఆర్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, నౌ దే ఆర్, వాళ్ళు, దే ఆర్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్, దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ఢిల్లీ. ఓకే, నౌ వి ఆర్, short form is we are, they are, short form is they are. Got it? Now let us see how they are used. Now every sentence in English is made up of subject, verb and the object, right? Here subject is nothing but it is a topic or a thing of what you are speaking about. Now for example, I'm speaking about this marker. Now this marker becomes a subject. Imagine I'm speaking about Radha become subject, right? Now here the subject can be a noun and pronoun. Pronoun means what? All this, I, he, she, it and all, right? It is used to speak. Am-Is-Are is used to speak about your name. Whenever you are speaking, whenever you are telling your name, at that time you are going to use Am-Is-Are. Not only that, whenever you are speaking about your profession, at that time also. Not only that, even whenever you are speaking about your age, that is number. Generally we express our age in terms of number, isn't it? I am 40 years old, she is 26 years old, they are 15 years old, right? So like that, whenever you are telling your age also, you are going to use am, is, are. Not only the pronoun, imagine you are telling about the relation that you hold with the other person, like she is my mother, they are my students, you are his father, Did you understand? So whenever you're telling about the relation, at that time also you're going to use am-is-are. Prepositions, like you're telling about the location, where you are, where are you now? Now you're going to say, Madam, I am in Hyderabad. I am in the library. So that is location. Whenever you're telling about the location also, you're going to use am-is-are. Okay. So now let us see in detail sentence, that is, I am Kavita. So look, I'm telling the name. I'm telling my name. Then how would I say? I am Kavita. She is Rama. He is Shankar. Got it? I am. She is. He is. All the names. Okay. It is a bird. Bird is also a name. రైట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నైఫ్, వస్తువులకు కూడా యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఇట్ అనేది మనం వస్తువులకి యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మార్కర్. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? షీ ఈజ్ మై మదర్. జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ రిలేషన్స్. ఓకే. షీ ఈజ్ మై మదర్. దే ఆర్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. హీ ఈజ్ మై కజిన్. గాట్ ఇట్? Coming to the age, how do you express, how do you tell your age? Raju is 25 years old. He is 6 feet tall. Describing, you are describing how tall is he, then you are going to say he is 6 feet tall. నంబర్ కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా మీరు నంబర్ చెప్తున్నారు అనుకో, అక్కడ బీ ఫార్మ్సే యూస్ చేస్తాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ 7 o'clock. ఓకే. ఐ ఆమ్ అ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్. యు ఆర్ టెలింగ్ ద క్వాలిఫికేషన్, యు ఆర్ టెలింగ్ యువర్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్. దెన్ హౌ వుడ్ యూ సే? ఐ ఆమ్ అ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్. షీ ఈజ్ అ పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్. Profession, you are telling your profession. I'm a doctor. She is a teacher. They are farmers. Got it? Next, coming to the status. Now I want to know the marital status. I want to know the status of you. How would I say? Yes, Simi. Simi is married. Simi is unmarried. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Is she married? No, she is not married. She is unmarried. Like that also you can say. She is educated. She is employed. Her father is retired. Retired also is status. Got it? Not only that, qualities. Whenever you are speaking qualities about anything, or you are describing a person, describing the weather, describing anything, there also you are going to use am-is-are. Like Radha is tall. Her sister is short. Rama is short. I am tired. Chala alsipoyi unnanu. I am tired. They are busy. వాళ్ళు చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. They are busy, right? She is beautiful. Chala andhanga undi. She is beautiful. Look, describing. You are describing a person. You are describing the situation. You are describing the mood of a person. At that time, you are going to use am-is-are only. I am happy. నేను చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను. I am excited, right? She is sad. They are angry. They are hungry. Look at the difference. Angry, hungry. Angry is kopanga. Hungry is akaliga. Got it? Students are free now. The baby is asleep. Asleep means what? Padukoni undadam. Awake. The baby is awake. Awake means melukoni undadam. She is awake ante melukone unnadi. She is asleep ante padukoni unnadu or padukoni unnadi. He is asleep. She is asleep. Got it? I am awake. Nen melukone unnanu. I am awake. Cheers for watching. Like, share, subscribe this channel for further updates.